Welcome back to the channel Stocks Market News. Beat the index. Today we'll speak about the situation on the stock market on Thursday. U.S. stocks were higher after the close on Thursday, as gains in the technology, basic materials and healthcare areas drove shares higher. At the close in NYSE, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1.02%, while the S&P 500 record climbed 1.43%, and the Nasdaq Composite File acquired 1.93%. Bayer AG came to a $80 million settlement with Ohio to determine natural harm purportedly brought about by polychlorinated biphenyls, or PCBs, made by the organization's Monsanto business. Portions of American media company Curiositystream Inc fell 13% in expanded exchanging following its final quarter profit report. Daimler Truck said on Thursday it was not currently in talks about whether it would assume control over a stake in Russia's Kamaz from its previous parent Mercedes-Benz AG, an issue that originated before the Ukraine emergency. Apple is setting up an equipment membership administration for iPhones that could send off when the finish of this current year, Bloomberg News wrote about Thursday. The move would address the summit of a long-lasting Apple investor desire to see the organization sell its equipment as a membership, which would help repeating income and could prompt an expansion in the stock cost. Uber Technologies Incorporated on Thursday said it will list New York City's famous yellow taxis on its application, a move that denotes the organization's most recent venture into the taxi market and could help the ride-hailing monster defeat a driver lack in its greatest U.S. market. Google will permit clients to book medical care meetings with Search. Google is joining forces with Minute Clinic at CVS and other booking arrangement suppliers for the new element. Energy and metals firms drove a leap in Russian stocks on Thursday as exchanging continued after just about a month's suspension, reflecting taking off worldwide costs for oil, gas and different items on apprehensions the Ukraine emergency will undermine supply. Weibo Corp said on Thursday it will consider assessing choices after the Chinese online entertainment stage was added to U.S. Protections Controller's rundown of organizations confronting the risk of being delisted. Bank of America examiner Angelov started inclusion on Logitech International SA with a buy rating Thursday, relegating the stock a $107 cost target, which suggests a likely 40% potential gain. Nikola Corporation shares hopped Thursday on the news it affirmed the beginning of creation of its electric business truck, the Traeger, last week. Shares of Nikola rose 15% at the open, hitting a high of $10.90, placing them in the green for the year. Meta Platforms Incorporated will make it more straightforward for brands to run 3-layered promotions on its Facebook and Instagram virtual entertainment stages through another association with an internet business innovation firm. The reconciliation with Ventana will permit brands to transfer the 3D models of their items to Facebook and Instagram and effectively convert them into advertisements, Ventana said on Thursday in a public statement. Snap declared in a blog entry that it has gained NextMind, a Paris-based neurotech startup company. The objective behind this procurement is to assist with driving long-term augmented reality (AR) research endeavors inside Snap Lab, Snap said. The startup constructs gadgets that could propel Snap's AR stage. Shares of Traeger are down over 20% in pre-market exchanging Thursday after the organization delivered more vulnerable than anticipated FY 2022 guidance. Apple Incorporated said on Thursday it will purchase its industrial-size batch of carbon-free aluminum to use in its low-cost iPhone SE, as it increases determination to lessen carbon impression from the metal it utilizes vigorously in item housings. Yesterday Google began an integration with Spotify SA to provide payments for clients. Would you like to learn more information? Click previous video on our YouTube channel.